Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you're watching this, I hope you're having a good day. Welcome to Grumpy's Workshop. Hello to all my regular subscribers, welcome to the new subscribers, and anyone that hasn't yet subscribed, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of all my future uploads. Right, back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be building a stand for my bandsaw. Now, due to the fact my last video was a table for my planer thicknesser, I didn't really want to upload two videos of similar things. But as it's something I need for the workshop, I thought I'd bring you along anyway, so hope you enjoy the video. So this time I decided to cut the pieces outside using a circular saw rather than using the miter saw. Then once the pieces were cut down to length, I could run them through the thickness planer just to clean up the edges a little bit. Then I could clamp the pieces in place, pre-drill and screw it together. Those of you that saw my last video will understand just how tedious I find doing lots of pocket holes with this single Craig pocket hole jig. Right, confession time. Now, before I started, I'd worked out roughly how high I wanted the bandsaw to be. Obviously, I knew it was going to be higher than the planer thicknesser table that I built. So I kind of worked out how high I wanted it, allowing for the thickness of the top and obviously the top and bottom frame. Cut it all down. I've just put it all together. There's nothing wrong with it, but now I'm thinking it's too low. So what I've got to do is either add a bit at the bottom, or I've got one 4x2 left and a half of one somewhere in the workshop. What I'm thinking is re-milling 4 more uprights, but make them 2 to 3 inches longer. Pain in the backside, but I'm not going to finish it if I'm not 100% happy with the height. So back to the drawing board on that one. which means more pocket holes. So, uprights, recut, thicknessed, and 1,000,000 pocket holes done. It was time to put it together again. So that's basically how it looks. Now I've deliberately left the front of this one open because I intend making a stool at some point to go in the workshop, and I want to be able to kind of sit with my legs underneath it or put the stool underneath. So once the frame was complete, it was over to the table saw to cut the top down to size. Then I could clamp it in position, pre-drill and screw it together. Now, I was going to put a drawer underneath it, like I did with my planer thicknesser stand, just to keep all the bits in. But having built the actual table itself, I've realised that putting a drawer in, one, if I build some sort of stool, I'm not going to be able to push that under, and also I wanted to be able to stand up and use a bandsaw, but if I wanted to do, like, sit down and do anything, then I wanted to be able to kind of get my legs underneath the table, which I can do at the moment. So I've decided I'm not actually going to put a drawer in this one. What I'm going to do instead is utilise the drawer that I built for my planer thicknesser table. As you can see, I've got plenty of room on that side for all the bits and pieces that go with the thickness planer, as in push sticks. I've got the tool for setting the blade heights when you change them or put the old ones having sharpened them. Spanners and Allen keys. And on this side, I've got the mitre gauge, spanners, Allen keys, screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is utilise that for these bits and pieces. Right, that's going to wrap this one up, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, please go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of all future uploads. Give the video a thumbs up, we like those. Leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys. Stay safe.